Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted account on the Badoo dating app. So let's get started right away. Now, if you want to delete your account on the Badoo dating app, then first of all, you will need to open up the app and log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken to the Encounters page from which you can start matching with different users. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the settings button at the top right. You can then tap on the account option and you will find the delete account button at the bottom section. When you tap on this, you will be shown various different options apart from deleting your account. If you tap on delete your account and tap on the continue button, you will receive one final warning, and if you proceed forward with this as well, your account will be scheduled for deletion. However, if you change your mind at any point in time, you will still have about 15 days by which you can once again download the Badoo dating app, and then you can proceed with logging into your account by simply using your credentials. After you type in your email address or your phone number and then your password, you will be logged back into your account and your account deletion process will be stopped. However, make sure to log back in before 2 weeks has passed, and then you will be able to recover your account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can recover your deleted account on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.